What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy my lazy 80% commission system with the Home Business Academy. Now, if you've been thinking about joining the Home Business Academy, I want you to watch this video until the end because I'm going to show you step by step in this video how you can get started right now today, quickly following some simple steps to get your system set up and start getting you leads immediately, instantly when you apply what I'm about to show you in this video. If you can follow step by step, and if you are willing to learn, do, and then turn around and teach it, then you can be successful with this system. There's no reason why you can't be. You just have to be willing to do it. Now, if you're thinking about joining the Home Business Academy, there will be a link below in the description below. What I'm going to show you, one, is proof that this is working, okay? Now, I'm not going to guarantee you any income. I can't guarantee you that because I don't know, even if you decide to join, if you are going to put in the work. But I can tell you that I'm getting results, and I'm not the only one getting results with this system, okay? So it's a simple system. You just have to be willing to tap into it and get things done. So with that being said, let's go ahead on and get started right now. Cool, you're still with me now. Here is proof that this is working. If you can see on my screen right now, these are emails that I'm getting from the Home Business Academy telling me that I have made sales, and they keep coming in daily and weekly. This is residual income, 80% commission on every product within the Home Business Academy. It does not matter what product they get, you're going to earn 80% commission on it as long as you're willing to follow the system. If you look at the dates over here, this is June, okay? This is June the 14th, okay? And it just keep, today is the 15th, but this is June the 14th. But if you just keep going down the whole month, all of the month, all the way down to April, okay? And this goes all the way back to the first of the year. It just keeps going and it keeps going and it keeps going. The only thing you have to do, if you're sick and tired of joining programs after program, is just tap into this system to get going right now today. So what I'm ready to show you right now is how you can get started when you click the link in the description. And then I'm going to take you inside of the system and show you step by step what you need to do, okay, in order to start getting results with this $35 side hustle. So what you want to do, you're going to click the link that's in the description. You're going to see the highest paying residual program in the world unveils the turnkey residual income system where 80% of every dollar comes back to you. Get your complete business system free overview, and you're going to have AI to help you close sales as well. So what you want to do is simply enter your name and your best email, and you're going to click this green button right here, and it's going to take you to this page right here. Once you come to this page, please watch this 3-minute and 21-second video by Paul, who's going to explain to you how things work. Once you have watched this video, you're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page to get started for only $35 today. I highly recommend that you read this entire page. Right now, we have already paid out over 7.2 million plus in commission, and the comp plan hasn't changed once. So these are the creators or the owners, Mike and Paul, but you're just going to scroll down through here, read this page, okay, all the way down, learn everything we have to offer in here, educate yourself on this, because I want you to understand some of the text that's on this page you can use in your marketing efforts, okay? Remember that, but we make marketing easy for you as well. So you can watch videos wherever you see something blue here. You can watch the videos, watch the community, just click on it and it's going to pop down for you, okay? And just keep going. You can see the impact right here. Over $7 million, okay, has been paid out to affiliates in this company, and it just keeps growing day by day. Okay, so we have 4 different products, but we're only going to talk about 3 in this video. The less goal is $10 a month. You earn $8 residual income. The funnel builder is $25 per month. You earn $20 residual income. The HBA premium is $125 per month. You earn $100 in residual income. All three of them combined together pays 80% commission, where you can earn $128 per month in residual income as long as they stay a member inside of the system. 2 referrals and you're in positive cash flow. Okay, so that's how it works. And you can see right here with 2 referrals, okay, your residual income is $256. Your net residual is $96, and that's that way because you have to subtract what you are investing into the system yourself. Okay, so when you subtract that, you're going to see that's $160 a month. You subtract that, that's going to leave you at $96. 5 people is can be $640 per month, but it's $480 residual income, and it just keeps going. So with 24 people, you're earning $3,000 per month in residual income, which your net residual is $2,912. So only with 24 people, you're not going to find another affiliate program where you can earn $3,000 per month with only 24 people. You can search, you can look. When you find it, come back, comment and let me know below. Okay, so you're going to have the products that people actually use, and why your customers stay is because they need the tools and the training and the software, the AI that the Home Business Academy offers. Okay, so one of them is the Let's Go app. You can watch the video right here. You can see someone just got started with it right here. Watch that video right there. You're going to come down the HBA funnel builder. Okay, for more information about it, you can see right here, see how it builds. Watch the video. Then you're going to come on down, and then you're going to see the HBA premium, everything that you get inside a premium. And with premium, you get team broadcast messaging, smart post, Van Gogh AI image tool, prompt write AI, traffic Maestro, which is a new thing that they have introduced, or a new AI tool that they have introduced inside of the Home Business Academy premium section, where it's going to help you with your marketing. Okay, the email alchemist can write your emails. Okay, daily live coaching 5 days a week, multiple streams of income to with smart roll-ups. Okay, so if somebody doesn't have that income stream that's inside of here, it rolls up to you. Okay, if they decide that they want to quit, okay, and they have enrolled people, after a certain period of time, it rolls up to you. Okay, demo mode. Okay, and then you have a personal welcome pop-up and things like that. So you can watch this video to see everything you get. I highly recommend that you watch this premium video because you want to go all in so you can really get the benefits of the system. Okay, so you're going to come down, you're going to see my image, and you're going to get started today for only $35. It lists here everything that you're going to get. You're going to click this button. It's going to pop up over here. If you want to view details, you can. You're just simply going to go down through here and enter the information that you need in order to get started today. So that's how you get started. And if you decide that this is not for you, if you keep strolling down, you're also going to see that there is a 3-day money back guarantee. Okay, so you have 3 days to get your money back if you decide this is not for you. And also on here, we do help feed starving children as well. Okay, so you'll be able to find that on here, and you can get started today for just $35. So go ahead on and do that right now, or once this video ends. Now, once you join, this is what you need to do. You're going to come inside your system. Your system is going to look more like this. Okay, it's going to have the Let's Go app here going to be set up, but you can set it up to where you see the social feed inside of the system. Now, some more proof. If you look over here, live recognitions. Okay, right here, I just welcomed someone to the group because I got a sale from them. If you come down through here, you can see all of the people right now who are having success with this system. Okay, I come back over here and just scroll back up, You can see them right here. So people are having success. Beginners are having success because they are following the steps inside of the system. And if you come over here, just scroll up, you see my name right here, okay, and right here. So it does work if you're willing to work. So when you get inside of the system, the first step you want to do is come over to affiliate, click on affiliate, and watch this video right here, because the affiliate fast start training inside of the Home Business Academy is going to walk you step by step, one, how to set up a Facebook marketing tool that they have inside of here for you. And you can find that tool right here. It is called the Facebook Inviter. You're going to download this tool. You're going to have follow-up scripts. You got some social media posts that you can copy and paste right now onto your Facebook profile. If you're on Facebook, this is a great tool for you to use. If you're not on Facebook, don't sweat it, because we have another tool that you can get access to inside of the premium section. Okay, everybody gets access to the download inviter, and I'm going to show you what that looks like when I come over here. Let me open up a Facebook page right quick. Okay, and when I open up this page, you have the inviter right here. And so the inviter is going to invite all of your people, all of your friends, and start inviting. So I can select them all. You're just going to go through this tool, and it's going to do all of the inviting for you. The messages are already done, so you don't have to worry about any of that. Okay, all of that is done for you, and it teaches you in the fast start training. Okay, it teaches you in the fast start training how to reply, what to do step by step. So this is your first step inside of the system. And if you're going to make a decision, please go all in. Okay, you can come in for just the Let's Goal or the funnel builder, but if you want to get all the benefits of what premium has to offer and everything that HBA has to offer, you want to go all in with the $35 residual pack. It's only going to be $35 today. You're going to actually get 14-day free trial of the premium section. Okay, so that's your first step. So you're going to get access to that. The next thing you're going to do is inside of here, they're actually going to show you, if you want to connect a domain name, there's Domain Scout. You don't have to get a domain with Namecheap or GoDaddy or any other domain register. You can get it right here inside of the Home Business Academy. Okay, I'm going to show you right here. I have all of my domains. Now these domains here from Six Figure Richard down were all hosted inside of Namecheap. I moved them all over here to HBA simply because it's cheaper. Namecheap was like, to renew was like $18. Here it's less than that. It's like $11.99. Okay, so you can set up your domain. I highly recommend that you get a domain. Okay, it's going to tell you some personalized domains here. So this step you want to do, you do not have to get a domain name to get started. I'm just showing you this just in case you want to do that. But you can get a domain. If you want to select a different domain, you can type it in right here and it'll do a search. So you can purchase your domain right here inside of the system. Okay, so once you do that, the next thing you want to do, especially if you are a premium member, the next thing you want to do is come to the premium section. Okay, and look at all of the premium tools that you're going to get access to over here. You got Traffic Maestro, Prompt Write AI, Image Generator, Smart Post, Email Alchemist, and you get to use these tools while you're inside of your 14-day free trial to get you up and going in the right direction. Now, if you're having trouble with marketing, which all of us do, getting traffic, hey, I had the same issue, but to get you traffic, get the 14-day free trial of premium, come over to the premium tool and click on Traffic Maestro. What Traffic Maestro does is going to walk you step by step so you can tell your story. Take your time and do it correctly. Inside of Traffic Maestro, you're going to have something called Grow Yourself. This is going to walk you step by step after you go through the onboarding process. You learn something new today. You have a pro tip here. Okay, you click that. Okay, you have grow your income. It's telling you what to do on a daily basis. Once you get this down, it's going to help you out. It's going to, you give direct invitations. You followed up with responses. You left thoughtful comments. You left thoughtful replies and comments left on your post. And you added and accepted 3 new friends. Go through the process. This is only going to help you, not hurt you. Okay, so you're able to create long form videos in here, short form videos, Facebook posts, done for you images, and write emails. Okay, all of this is inside of the system, and they are updating this on a daily basis to make it even that much more better for you, to help you step by step in your marketing process. If I wanted to do a done for you image, I just simply click on this image here. Okay, and this can be a part of your marketing process. Okay, you can come over here and it's going to have images. This actually picks back up where you left off. Okay, and if I tap on that and then I use my arrow on my keyboard, it just scrolls over. Okay, don't waste words. You can put your picture in here if you want to. Just use the AI tool we have to do that. Okay, all of this, you have 400 and some images that you can take right now. If I take this one right now and download it, okay, and I'm going to download it to my desktop. Let me move over. Going to click save. It's going to be on my desktop, and then what I'm going to do is I can come over here to, let's just go back to Facebook again. I'm gonna go to Facebook. And I'm going to come over here and I'm going to create a story. And I'm going to do a photo story. And I'm going to take that image right there and I'm going to open it up. I'm going to size it down. Okay. And then I'm going to share it to my story. That's one thing you can do. You can make this and you can use this as a post, on your profile if you want to. It's totally up to you. That's just one way. And you see my story is right here. So you're going to get engagement just using these images and things like that. So that's one way you can do it. But if you want to go back, just go back. If you want to do a Facebook post, you can do a Facebook post. It's going to ask you some questions. And you just simply do the question, and it's going to give you a post that you can post on your Facebook profile. Okay, it's just as simple as that. So that's what that tool is for. This is how you get started earning 80% commission the lazy way. Once you get everything set up, you can't be lazy setting everything up. Once you go through the traffic Maestro, go through it slowly, answer the questions honestly, because it's only going to help you in your marketing. So with that being said, this system, this 80% commission system, can help you if you're willing to help yourself. So click the link that's in the description below. I'm going to come back with another video showing you some other traffic sources that I'm using in order to get leads and things inside of the system. And then I'm actually going to show you how to set up your autoresponder and capture pages if you want to, use it for any other business or specifically just use it for the Home Business Academy. You don't have to worry about anything. They do all of the emailing for you as well. So you don't have to worry about that. Your only responsibility is to get traffic to the system. Okay, so with that being said, go ahead and click the link that's in the description below. Get started today. I will see you on the inside. If you need some more information, watch the videos that may pop up here, there, somewhere on here, and there even a pop-up that's going to come out up top. My contact information will be below, and go ahead, get started today. I will see you on the inside. With that being said, you have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.